maraming salamat sa mga nag-chat. Sige so, Sir Bian, okay na pa yung ano mo dyan, Sir Bian? Kailan na tayo kakanta, Sir Bian? Okay. Ayan, Miss Paulette. I know you like Boulevard. Okay. Sir Marlon Marcos, thank you so much. Guys, malabdab naman kayo sa nakapin. Okay. Miss Paulette, love you song.
I don't know. You said goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever mine.
Welcome, Sir Bian.
Please tell me why you make me cry. I beg you please out on my knees if that's what you want me to. Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you would release my pain.
Sige, Sir Bian.
Can be cool, your lovers again. Just one more time, another day. And let me feel it as a dream that I've been losing you. The sun will rise within your eyes. Come back to me and we will be happy together.
Oh, yeah.
Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you would release my pain. Can we cool the lovers again? Maybe I'll make a stay. A little while just for a smile. Build up together for our show. A place I know. It's a new world we could be happy forever. Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you would release my pain. How we could the lovers again. Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you would release my pain. And we could the lovers again.
Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat po dyan. Tulog na siguro sila eh. Dan sa nakapin sa walwalan. Maraming salamat ang gano'n. Thank you so much na kapag-ingin. Guys, thank you so much ha. Maraming salamat po dyan. Ara ako. Ara po. May gigipalipak pa rin sila. Thank you so much, Lea. Love na love talaga to si Leo. Love na love talaga si Lea niya. Tingnan mo naman. Yan lang tabi-tabi nagtitignan. Ay, hindi. Maid na kita, guys. May bukas pa. May screencast pa bukas. Thank you so much, Sir Bien. Maraming salamat po. Laganori. Pamati lang na ay maobranay ako ning ano, maobranay ako ning highlight kay para igwa ko ning upload. Maobranay ko. Para ini sa mga